Christmas, a time of joy, a time of wonder, a time when even the universe joins in the celebration. Imagine the cosmos as a grand stage. Picture celestial bodies taking on festive roles. This is the magic of cosmic Christmas. The universe rejoices. It shimmers with the spirit of the season. From distant galaxies to our own solar system, Christmas becomes a cosmic event. It's a reminder that we are part of something vast and extraordinary. Look up at the Milky Way. This glowing ribbon of stars is more than just a galaxy. It's Santa's celestial highway. Imagine his sleigh gliding along this starry path. It's a journey of cosmic proportions. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, takes on a special role. Its great red spot, a swirling storm, transforms into Santa's workshop. Here, elves work tirelessly. They prepare gifts for all the good children of Earth. Saturn, with its magnificent rings, steals the show. The rings sparkle and shimmer. They resemble giant tinsel draped around the planet. Saturn's moons, like tiny dancers, twirl around this festive display. Our own moon plays a crucial role. It acts as a beacon. Its soft light guides Santa's sleigh towards Earth. It's a celestial guide, ensuring he finds his way. The stars themselves become cosmic Christmas lights. Each twinkle tells a story. Betelgeuse, a red supergiant, glows like Rudolph's nose. Rigel, a blue supergiant, shines with a cool, icy brilliance. At the heart of it all is the sun. It's the ultimate source of warmth and light. The sun represents the true spirit of Christmas. It's a symbol of hope and joy radiating throughout the cosmos. And then there's Earth, our little blue planet. It's a cherished gift nestled in the vast cosmic crib. Santa looks upon Earth with love. He sees the joy, the laughter, and the spirit of giving. On this night, we're reminded that even in the grand scheme of the universe, Earth holds a special place. As you gaze up at the night sky this Christmas, remember the magic. Remember the universe's silent celebration. It's a reminder that we are all part of something bigger. We are connected not just to each other, but to the cosmos itself.